Vital sanitation. Hi, gather all the materials around. Sphygmomanometer, stethoscope, digital thermometer, pulse oximeter, alcohol, and cotton balls. Proper hand washing. First, gather all the materials. Disposable gloves, liquid soap, and tissue. Turn on the faucet. Wet your hands from cleanest to dirtiest, Apply soap in the palm, rub palm to palm. Interlace, back of my hand, vice versa. Interlock, vice versa. Rub your fingers into circular motion, vice versa. Fingertip in a circular motion, vice versa. Rinse your hand from cleanest to dirtiest, Use a tissue to dry your hands. The back of your hands, and use the tissue to turn off the faucet. And now you can wear your gloves. Sanitizing the materials. First, stethoscope. Cotton balls, earpiece, 1 stroke, discard. Other side, earpiece, 1 stroke, discard. Ear tube, 1 stroke, discard. Other side, 1 stroke, discard. Tubing, 1 stroke, discard. Tubing, 1 stroke, discard. Chest piece, 1 stroke, discard. Bell, 1 stroke, discard. Next, digital thermometer. Sensory tip to battery, discard. Sensory tip to battery, discard. Front, sensory tip to battery, discard. Back, sensory tip to battery, discard.